Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with how many coins are in Dan's bowl. Again, slightly out of the bowl at the moment, but they are all here. The previous guesses are all on the screen, but we are going to make it easy. It's somewhere between 1,000 and 1,300, and somebody was one away. Yes, they were. I'm sure it's going to get won over the course of the next 24 hours. So check in 6 p.m. tomorrow. Let's see if we've got a winner. Here we go then. Another coin goes into the prize pot. A nice one so far. We've got a Peter Rabbit, full face, half whisker. No, we don't. Peter Rabbit eating his radishes. Come on, Daniel. Jemima Puddleduck. We have got the $1 United States of America 2019 Zebra Crossing, the Salmon, and Commonwealth Games England. Beautiful. Again, all you need to do is comment how many individual coins there are there. We're not going for the overall value, just the actual coin number. The previous guess is on the screen now, so nobody is double guessing. We've got a good feeling. Come on, everyone, get those guesses in. We are on the floor for this one. Unfortunately, they just don't fit on the mat. Super close guesses, and again, if nobody gets it today, I'm sure they will on the next. Get your guesses in the comments, guys. Again, good luck, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.